thought you'd never ask. Ready for round 2. Baby, don't fail me now. This is gonna be bumpy. Time for a Bandle City beatdown. The bigger they are, the harder I hit them. Bandle City! Oops, forgot the clutch. Turbo on! Just needs a little kickstart there. Now we're cooking. Revved up. Who wants a piece of this? Hold her steady. All right, I'm going. Who you callin' little? You don't have to tell me twice. Ever looked up to a yordle? Hot, hot, hot. Ooh, ah, ah, hot, 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 hot. Right there. Time. Hot, 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 hot. Ooh.
Warning.
Come on. I'm not even holding the controls. Ha ha! Ha ha!